Are you looking for the best computer fans? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best computer fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Be Quiet. Silent Wings 3 120mm BL064 Cooling Fan. Whether you need something that doesn't make much noise or something that moves a ton of air, one of the entries in the Be Quiet Silent Wings 3 line can help. Each offers a durable construction as well as both plunger style and screw-on connectors. Virtually inaudible operation at max 16.4 dBA. Airflow 50.5 CFM. Noise level 16.4 decibels. 6-pole fan motor for less power consumption and vibration. Fluid dynamic bearing enables super long lifespan of 300,000 H. Fan frame with funnel-shaped air inlets for extremely high air pressure. 7 fan blades offer an optimized airflow. Rubber bushing absorbs vibrations. Optional PWM control. Advanced aerodynamic design. Number 2. Arctic P12-120mm Case Fan. About as simple and affordable as they come, the Arctic P12 is engineered for above-average static pressures, and anyone working on a new build would be well-served to pick up 3 to 5 of these for a reliable, long-lasting cooling setup. Optimized for static pressure, the fan guarantees extremely efficient cooling, even with increased air resistance. Therefore, the P12 is particularly suitable for use on heatsinks and radiators. High-quality bearing, thanks to an alloy/lubricant combination developed in Germany. Friction within the bearing is reduced and greater efficiency is achieved. Innovative design. The innovative design of the fan blades improves the airflow and facilitates a highly efficient ventilation. The impeller was designed with a focus on minimizing the noise level. Long service life. The fluid dynamic bearing comes with an oil capsule that avoids lubricant leakage, thus this bearing is as quiet as a sleeve bearing but comes with a higher service life. Technical data: fan speed 1800 RPM, airflow 56.3 CFM/95.65 m superscript 3/H at 1800 RPM, noise level 0.3 SON at 1800 RPM, pin 3 pin. Available in white or black. 15 and 25 mm thicknesses. Makes very little noise. Number 3. Noctua N12 PWM Premium Quiet Fan. Unlike a typical case fan, the Noctua N12 is specifically tuned to produce consistently high static pressure, which is ideal for custom CPU heatsink setups, as well for use with water cooling radiators to increase performance and cut sound levels. Premium Quiet Fan, 120 by 120 by 25 mm, 12V, 4-pin PWM, max 1500 RPM, max 22.4 dBA, greater than 150,000 HMTTF. Award-winning 120 by 25 mm fan with focused flow frame for high static pressure and superior quiet cooling performance. Ideal for CPU heatsinks, e.g. Noctua NH-U12, IS series, and water cooling radiators. Perfect replacement fan for loud all-in-one AIO coolers. 4-pin PWM version for automatic speed control via 4-pin PWM fan headers. Broad 300-1500 RPM speed range, 1200 RPM max with supplied low noise adapter. Includes anti-vibration mounts, fan screws, low noise adapter, extension cable and Y cable for running 2 PWM fans on the same header. Rubberized mounts. Convenient modular cabling. Not for intakes or exhausts. Number 4. Thermaltake Ring 12 LED Ring Case/Radiator Fan. Available in both popular sizes, the Thermaltake Ring 12 is an inexpensive choice for adding bright LED illumination. It's designed to achieve concentrated compression, ensuring air flows outward from the center, and it's resistant to vibrations once mounted. Concentrated Compression Blade, CCB, for high static pressure of demanding applications such as radiators. The CCB is engineered to focus the inner weaker circle of air outwards, allowing the outer section to pressurize and compress the air. Wind blocker frame, to achieve maximum static pressure in all applications. The frame is designed to work with the CCB to reduces the blade's noise and vibration, creating a perfect balance between power and sound. Hydraulic bearing/low noise design. The hydraulic bearing self-lubricates with a high-quality, friction-reducing substance which lowers operating noise and improves efficiency. The low-noise cable can reduce the noise level by 24% from 24.6 dBA to 18.7 dBA. Anti-vibration mounting system. In-mold injection anti-vibration rubber pads provide hassle-free usage for 80% protection coverage, including all four corners. Inlet and outlet temp are 49 degrees Celsius and 44.5 degrees Celsius in respective, T equals 4.5 degrees Celsius. Number 5. Noctua NFP14S Redex 1500 PWM High-Performance Cooling Fan. If you need a 140mm model with variable speed and a high CFM rating, the Noctua NFP14S is worth a look. It operates at roughly 25 decibels or below and is about as affordable as a fan this size gets, although it's not ideal for most liquid cooling radiators. High-performance cooling fan, 140 by 140 by 25 mm, 12V, 4-pin PWM, max 1500 RPM, max 25.8 dBA, greater than 150,000 HMTTF. Renowned NFP14S high-end 140 by 25 mm 12V fan, more than 100 awards and recommendations from international computer hardware websites and magazines, hundreds of thousands of satisfied users. Highly optimized low-noise design provides outstanding quietness of operation, excellent static pressure and strong airflow, CFM, square frame for water cooling radiators and chassis ventilation. 1500 RPM 4-pin PWM version with excellent balance of performance and quietness, supports automatic motherboard speed control, powerful airflow when required, virtually silent at idle. Streamlined Redux Edition, proven Noctua quality at an attractive price point, wide range of optional accessories, anti-vibration mounts, SIDA adapters, Y-splitters, extension cables, etc.